ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय काण्व शाक्य बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद उद्गीत ब्राह्मण पेज नंबर 136 mantra number 24. We have already seen the mantra. This Brahmadatta was the descendant of Chaikitana. His name was Chikitana. His name was Chaikitaneya. And what is the name of the Raja? Huh?
Soma.
No, Soma. Somapana he is doing that. Soma is Raja. No, there is no Raja here. I told you yesterday. Brahmadatta is not Raja. See Tika now. Okay, some Panini sutras are given in Tika itself. Huh? So, Tadhapi ityadi vakyasya. Tadhapi is there in the mantra, so that is given. Tadhapi ityadi vakyasya. Prakruta anupayogam ashankya aha. Purvapakshi says there is no use of this akhyayika here. You want to prove prana is udgita. You want to prove prana is angirasa. What is this akhyayika? So it is, there is no upayoga. Anupayogam ashankya aha. In bhashya. Tadhapi tat tatra etasmin ukte arthe ha api akhyayika api shruyate. Shruyate should be dirgha. Tadhapi. Tat means tatra. Tatra means tasmin. Etasmin. Etasmin ukte arthe. Whatever is said so far, in that there is this akhyayika also. Akhyayika api shruyate. Brahmadatto namataha. Brahmadatta means Brahmadatto namataha. There is someone whose name is Brahmadatta. Who is he? Chikitanasya apatyam. Chikitanasya apatyam. Chikitanasya apatya will be Chaikitanaha. Chikitanasya apatya means son. Will be Chaikitanaha. Tad apatyam yuva. Now what is tad apatyam yuva? So that is not given. Here, but I will explain. I thought it was given somewhere. Chaikitana. In there in Tika. Okay, it's there in Tika. It will come. Tadapatyam yuva Chaikitaneya Rajanam Somam. Rajanam anvay you have to do with Somam. Rajanam Yajnye Somam Bhakshayan Uvacha. So this Chaikitaneya, he was doing Bhakshanam of Soma. Soma is considered as Raja, that great thing, king. Where he was doing Bhakshanam, not somewhere, in Yajna. So there was a Yajna Sabha. Wise people had gathered there. See first number Tippani. Viswasrajam Rishinam Satre. Satram Nama Yatra Ritvija Eva Yajmanaha Swayam Bhutva Vicharadi Kurvate. Viswasraja Shabda will come later in Bhashya. At that time we will see. See Tika. उद्गीत देवता प्राणो न वागादि इति उक्तार्थः. उद्गीत देवता is prana, not वागादि. जीवति तु वंश्ये युवा इति स्मरणात् पित्रादौ वंश्ये जीवति पौत्र प्रभृतेर यदपत्यम तद युव संज्ञकम इति द्रष्टव्यम. So this is the sutra. जीवति तु वंश्ये युवा. When the Pitradau Vamshya Jivati, when the ancestors are alive. So, you understand, great-grandfather. Great-grandfather is there, then his Pautra. So, great-grandfather's son will be grandfather. His son, so father. His apatyam means his son. So fourth generation, that fourth generation is called Yuva. Anyway, he will be very little if the wedding is done at proper distance. Pitradau Vamshye Jivati Pautra Prabhuter Yadapatyam. Putra means son. Pautra means grandson. Grandson's apatyam, grandson's son means great grandson is called Yuva. That's why I started with great grandfather. Tad Yuva Sangyakam iti drashtavyam. Kriyapada Nishpatti Prakaram Suchayati. I am assuming everybody understood. Otherwise, just understand there is one Chaikitaneya whose ancestors were there and his name was Brahmadatta. He was drinking Soma. Kriyapada Nishpatti Prakaram Suchayati. Kriyapada. So now first let us see Bhashya. Yajne Somam Bhakshayan Uvacha. What did he say? Kimayam Chamasastho Maya Bhakshamano Raja Yasya Tasya Mama Anrutavadino Murdhanam Shiro Vipatayatat Vispashtam Patayatu. Uvacha. Brahmadatta Uvacha. Brahmadatta said, Chamasastha. Chamasa means that patra in which some prasad is there, you have to take it. That is called chamasa. Kimayam chamasastha. What is this? What is there in this chamasa? Which is maya bhakshamanaha. By me it is going to be consumed. So he is actually dramatizing it. Okay. Maya bhakshamanaha raja. This is the king which I am going to consume. Tyasya. Tyasya means tasya. Of that person, the head should fall off. Tasya anrutavadinaha. That person's head should fall off if he speaks untruth. Murdhanam shiro vipatayatat means vispashtam patayatu. Clearly it should fall off. Means it should drop without any problem. If that person is speaking anrutam. The one who is drinking this, if he speaks untruth, his head should fall off. Tasya mama. That tasya means that is me. my head should fall off. Murdhanam, what is the Pratipadika? Murdhan. Murdhan is the Pratipadika. Murdha, Murdhanau, Murdhana, Murdhanam, Dvitiya Ekvachana. And Vipatayatat, Dhatu is Pad Dhatu. णिच प्रत्यय लोट लकार प्रथम पुरुष एक वचन. Then next word is toho. In Bhashya you see torayam tatangadesha ashishi lot vipatayatad iti. So you already know now, some of you are studying all this current topic. Toho. Toho ayam tatangadesha. Tatangadesha is pathatu pathatat, pathatam, pathantu, लोट लकार. In in pratham purusha it is pathatu pathatat, pathatam pathantu. And then in madhyam purusha it is patha pathatat. Lot lakar, I hope you remember, all of you. That sutra is given now. Torayam, what is toho? Tu. That tu pratyaya, see in tika. Tu pratyasya ayam ashishi. So tu shashti ekvachanam will be toho. Tu shabda shashti ekvachanam will become toho. Like guru will be guroho. So ruhu will be roho. So tu will be toho. Like that. Toho ayam. Tatang Adesha. What is the Tatang Adesha Sutra? That is given in Tika. Ashishi Vishaye Tatang Adesha. Tuhyos Tatang Ashishi Anyatarasyam. Tuhyos Tatang Ashishi Anyatarasyam. Anyatara means one of these. Either tu or Tatang. Both will come. आशीषी विषये व्याख्यानम इति आशीष विषये लोट लकारस्य तू ही प्रत्ययो विकल्पेन तातंग आदेश भवति. So प्रथम पुरुष एक वचनम तू प्रत्यय and मध्यम पुरुष एक वचनम ही प्रत्यय. That is तू ही. So तू ह्यो हो. तातंग आदेश will come. So tat comes in both. पठतु पठतात and पठ पठतात. प्रथम पुरुष है as well as मध्यम पुरुष. Is this familiar or not?
Yes, Swamiji.
If it is not, then at least look into it and become familiar. Tatang Adesha Ashishi Lot Vipatayatat iti. So how Vipatayatat means Vishpashtam Patayatu. Now in Tika, Murdha Pata Prapakam Darshayati. What is going to bring the head down? What is Murdha Pata Prapaka? Yadi Aham in Bhashya. Yadi Aham Anritavadi Syam ityartha. If I am the speaker of untruth, then my head would fall off. Tika. Anritavaditvasya prapaka bhavad apraptihi iti shankate. But there is no scope for speaking untruth. So Anritavaditvasya prapaka bhavad apraptihi. There is no मूर्धपात प्रापक प्राप्ति अंकते। कथम पुनः अनृतवादित्व प्राप्ति उच्यते। फर्स्ट लेट अस सी टेका नाउ। उद्गानस्य बुद्ध्यादि सन्निधात् तद्देवता प्राजापत्यादि लक्षणा किं तस्मिन् देवता किं वा वर्णस्वरादि सन्निधानात् तद्देवतैव तत्र देवता इति विप्रतिपत्तेरनुतवादित्वे शंकिते ब्रह्मदत्तः शपथेन निर्णयं चकार इत्याह। ब्रह्मदत्त इज डूइंग शपथ। उद्गानस्य बुद्ध्यादि सन्निधानात्, udganam is happening at the speech level, but it will not come in the speech unless it is there in buddhi. Buddhi devata is Brahaspati. Brahaspati is called Prajapati. Prajapatehe apatyam Prajapati. So Brahaspati is the son of Brahma. So he is called Prajapati, who is the presiding deity of Buddhi. So this Vakya is explaining this. Udganasya buddhyadi sannidhanat. Somebody is, why in Tattvabodha they have to give Buddhi Devata and all? They say all this is required. Suddenly in one Vakya you have to know everything. Buddhyadi sannidhanat tad devata prajapatyadi lakshana. किं तस्मिन् देवता किं वा वर्ण स्वरादि सन्निधानात् तद देवता एव तत्र देवता इति. Is there a devata there, or is it that varna swaradi sannidhanat tad devata eva tatra devata, because of the combination of varna swara etc. You see 5 number tippani. प्राजापत्यादि प्रजापतिश्च चतुर्मुखः तस्य अपत्यानि बृहस्पत्यादयः प्राजापत्याः बुद्धि देवता बृहस्पतिः. मार्क दैट. इति विप्रतिपत्तेः. Such vipratiपत्ति if it is there, अनृतवादित्वे शंकिते ब्रह्मदत्तः शपथेन निर्णयं चकार. So there is a doubt. Vipratipatti means a question is there. Who is the devata? Is it Prajapati son, or Prajapati is apatyam Prajapati Brahaspati, or is there this Varna Swaradi Sannidhanam? 7 number tippani. विप्रतिपत्तेः ब्रह्मदत्त उद्गात्र के यज्ञे समागतानां ऋषीणाम उद्गीत देवता निश्चय अभावात्. So they did not have those who had gathered the rishis in the yajna where Brahmadatta was Udgata, or somebody must be Udgata. Here it is given Brahmadatta Udgatra ke yajna. Who is the Udgita Devata? That Nishchaya was not there. Nishchaya Abhavat Tam Uddishya Uktaritya Vipratipattihi Asit. Therefore, in this regard, who is the Devata? They had Vipratipatti, Samshaya. Tataha Parasparasmin Anritavaditve Taihi Shankite Sati Vidwad Agranir Brahmadatta Udgata Sarvaihi आप्ततमत्वात् साक्षीकृतः स शपथ द्वारा इष्ट देवता निर्णयं चकार इत्यर्थः. So among all of them he was the best knower, Vidwad Agrani Brahmadatta. And parasparasmin anritavaditvai anritavadite taihi shankit. They had doubt. This person, another person, he is not speaking the truth. Means he doesn't know. I think he is confused. There are enough people. Anybody says, they may not know anything. But anybody says, I don't think that person knows. That person, I think, is confused. अरे तुम अपना देखो पहले, how much do you know? So now to remove all doubts, this person gets up, Brahmadatta, he takes shapath. And when you take shapath, then everybody will believe. And that too such thing that if I am speaking untruth, my head will fall off. That who is a Devata? Angirasa, Ayasya Angirasa is the Devata. That Nirnaya he is doing through shapath. Shapath Nirnayam Chakara Uchyate. Now in Bhashya. Uchyate Yad Yadi Ito Asmat Prakritat Pranat Vak Sanyuktadaya Vak Sanyuktat Ayasyo Mukhya Prana Abhidhayakena Ayasya Angirasa Shabdena Abhidhiyate Vishwasrjam Purvarshinaam Satra Udgata So Anyena Devatantarena Vak Prana Vyatiriktena Udagayat Udganam Kritavan Yad Yadi Itaha Asmat Prakritat Prana. From this prana, what is that prana? Vak Sanyuktat, associated with Vak. Vak Upasarjana prana. Ayasyo Mukhya Prana Abhidhayakena. This Ayasya Mukhya Prana Abhidhayakena Ayasya Angirasa Shabdena Abhidhiyate. It is known as Ayasya Angirasa. Mukhya Prana is known in this way. Abhidhiyate. To whom? Vishwasrjam Purvarshinam Satre. Satra means Satre. Udgata. So Anyena Devatantarena Vak Pran Vyatiriktena Udagayat Udganam Kritavan. If this is the thing, means if Udgata Devata is different from Prana, Vak Prana Vyatiriktena Udagayat Udganam Kritavan, Tato Aham Andratavadisyam. Then I will become the speaker of untruth. But I am not the speaker of untruth. Means Prana is the Devata. Vishwasrjam. Vishwasrjam, what is the Pratipadika?
Vishwasrij.
Vishwasrij. Then what will be Prathama Ekvachanam? How Vishwasrij will come? What will be the first sutra that you will apply? Vishwasrij. Halangyabhyo dirghat sutisi apraktam hal. Halangyabhyo dirghat, it will apply, it will become Vishwasrish. Then
Vrashya, by that it will become Vishwasrij. Murdanya Shakar will happen. Then the Murdanya Shakara will get Jalam Jashonta, it will become Srig. And by Vavasane, it will become Srig.
or one more step can come. Other steps are correct. Vrashya Brajya will come, Jalan Jashonte will also come.
And
Then
after that,
Vishwasrij.
Dahos.
Vishwasrij is also one reading. That is Vavasane. And Vishwasrid.
Srid will come
Srid
by
will become Vishwasrid.
Dahos. Daha, so
Twin
daha se
pratyasya
kit.
puhu. Twin pratyasya puhu.
Yes.
This sutra also we have seen. Purvarshinam. Purvarshinam, the vigraha. Purve chate rishayascha. Iti पूर्वर्षयः तेषां पूर्वे च ते ऋषयश्च इति पूर्वर्षयः तेषां पूर्वर्षीणां. So Vishwasrajam Purvarshinam. These two words are these rishis who are there. About them this is discussed. Tika. प्राणात् वाक् संयुक्तात् अन्येन अयास्यो यद उदगायत इति संबंधः. प्राणात् वाक् संयुक्तात् अन्येन अयास्यो तद् अयत् उदगायत इति संबंधः. प्राण वाक् संयुक्तात् अन्येन, somebody who is different from prana associated with vak. If that person did the udaganam, then my head will fall off, like that. Anyena shabda is there in the mantra also. Huh? Here also in the tika it is given, in bhashya it is given. Purvarshinam satra udgata, so anyena devata antarena kritavan. In tika. ननु अयास्य आंगिरस शब्दवाच्यो मुख्य प्राणो देवतात्वात् न उद्गाता भवितुम उत्सहते तत्र. This ayasya angirasa mukhya prana, he cannot be the devata of the udganam, because he is devata for another thing. Devatatvad na udgata bhavitum utsahate. तत्राह मुख्य इति, मुख्य विहवर्णि, मुख्य प्राण अभिधायके. उक्तार्थ दार्ढ्याय इति उक्तम उपसंहरति. So to do this jnana dridhata, for the sake of this jnana dridhata, this thing upasamhara is done. Iti vijnana iti. Tika. In bhashya. Tato aham anritavadi syam. Tasya mama devata viparita प्रतिपत्तुः मूर्धानम विपातयतु इति एवं शपथम चकार. ततो अहम अनृतवादी स्याम, then I will become the speaker of untruth if somebody else did the udganam of this other than prana devata. Anurvadi syam tasya mama devata viparita pratipattuhu, then I will become devata viparita pratipatta. I will become. Devata means devata vishaye. Devata vishayaka viparita pratipattihi yasya saha devata viparita pratipatta. I will be. Then my मूर्धानम विपातयतु इति एवं शपथम चकार. In this way he did शपथम. इति विज्ञाने प्रत्ययदार्ढ्य कर्तव्यताम दर्शयति. In this ज्ञानम प्रत्ययदार्ढ्यम कर्तव्यताम दर्शयति. This mantra is showing that. Means I already have some idea that this rishi must be prana, but I don't have dridha jnana. So this akhyayika and this shapatha is making it dridha. This is the objective. Like how in all transactions, you sign some paper, stamp paper and some registrar and this, then it becomes, he has taken shapatha. So he will do whatever is said there. टीका उक्तरीत्या शपथ क्रियया प्राण एव उद्गीत देवता इति अस्मिन् विज्ञाने प्रत्ययो विश्वासः तस्य यद्दार्ढ्यं तस्य कर्तव्यताम् आख्यायिकया दर्शयति श्रुतिः इति यावत्. I already said what is said here. By this shapath kriya, udgita devata is prana. This is shown through shapatha and this akhyayika. आख्यायिकार्थस्यैव वाचा इत्यादिना उक्तेः पौनरुक्त्यम् इति आशंका. आख्यायिकार्थस्यैव वाचा इत्यादिना उक्तेः. This आख्यायिका अर्थ is already said earlier. Vacha by this, so there is punarukti iti आशंका. भाष्य तम इमं आख्यायिका निर्धारितम अर्थम स्वेन वचसा उपसंहरति श्रुतिः. So in Shruti, vacha cha hi eva sa pranena cha udgayati. So earlier on page 137 in mantra you see, angiraso anyena udagayat iti. Up to iti is akhyayika. Then vacha cha hi eva sa pranena cha udagayat iti. That is Shruti's quotation, Shruti referring. So whatever is concluded through akhyayika, same thing is now said by Shruti. Vacha cha prana pradhanaya pranena cha swasya atmabhutena so ayasya angirasa udgato udagayat iti esho artho निर्धारितः शपथेन. वाचा च प्राण प्रधानया प्राण प्रधानम यस्याम सा वाचा सा वाक् not वाचा सा वाक् प्राण प्रधाना प्राण प्रधानम यस्याम सा वाक् प्राण प्रधाना तया प्राण प्रधानया. So such vacha and pranena cha swasya atmabhutena so ayasya angirasa, that ayasya angirasa udgato nirdharitaha udgato udagayati udagayat, he did the udganam esho artho nirdharitaha kena shapathena, by this shapath. One sentence is there in Tika. शपथस्य स्वातंत्र्येण अप्रामाण्ये अपि श्रुति मूलतया प्रामाण्यम सिद्ध्यति इति भावः. टीकाकार is also very clear. Shapatha is not pramanam. Swatantrena shapatha is not pramanam. But shapatha is saying what is already said by Shruti. Therefore, shapatha also will become pramanam. Shapathasya swatantrena apramanya api Shruti mulataya pramanyam siddhyati. So therefore, its pramanyam is there iti bhavaha. On that page, 5 number tippani is there. Big tippani is there. I will just read little bit. So ayasya iti. Purvesham naimisharanya vasinam vishwasrujam rishinam satre. So in Naimisharanya, this Bhagavata, etc. were happening. There, this was also happening in Satra. Bahu Yajamanake Karmani. This Bahu Yajamanaka Karma was going on. There, this doubt had come and Brahmadatta had reached there. That is that Tippani. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutrabhashyakritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah. Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.